If you do some further reading into the BERT model, or you look up BERT models on the Hugging Face Models page, you'll eventually come across some variations on the BERT model. These are RoBERTa and DistilBERT. BERT, RoBERTa and DistilBERT are all variations of the original BERT model, each with its own unique characteristics and modifications. Let's go through some of the key differences between these models. RoBERTa, which stands for a robustly optimized BERT pre-training approach, is a modification and optimization of the BERT model. It employs a larger batch size, longer training sequences, and removes the next section prediction task during pre-training. RoBERTa also uses dynamic masking, where the masking pattern is changed for each batch. The result is a model that achieves better performance on various downstream NLP tasks compared to the original BERT. RoBERTa is known for its robustness and is generally considered an improvement over BERT. DistilBERT is a smaller and more lightweight version of BERT, designed for efficiency and faster inference. It is distilled from the BERT model, where it is trained to mimic the behavior of the larger BERT model while having fewer parameters. It has 40% less parameters than the BERT-based model. It runs 60% faster whilst preserving over 95% of BERT's performance. DistilBERT retains much of BERT's performance on various NLP tasks, but with significantly fewer parameters, making it more suitable for resource-constrained environments. Let's look at how we could work with RoBERTa and DistilBERT models. Through the Transformers package. So for RoBERTa, from the Transformers package, we can import a RoBERTa tokenizer and the RoBERTa model. You can specify your model name to be RoBERTa base, and then using the from pre-trained functions we're familiar with, we can load up the RoBERTa tokenizer and the RoBERTa model. There are other functions available for this model for specific types of tasks. There are also lots of fine-tuned models you can look through on the Hugging Face Models page. And for DistilBERT, we can use the DistilBERT tokenizer and the DistilBERT model from the Transformers package. So feel free to go back to some of our earlier code and experiment with these RoBERTa and DistilBERT models, switching out our BERT model for one of these variations.